I swear to God, what the f are you doing? Wait, no!
What are you gonna pick anyway?
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
ᴅɪsᴄʟᴇᴛ.
Don't be scared of it, Hope. You're seeing your own reflection. Oh my God.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
Do not. Taylor's. Oh!
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Oh.
I set up the thermostat.
3, 2.
นอนตื่นสายแกล้งเลยจะไปไหนเอาสลัดฮัลโหลที่นี่ที่ไหนคะมารับด่วน
And they're both boys.
No, spook. Get away.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some.
Bir yüz tanıdığını bana şey yaptı ve arka tarafa dikkat ederseniz
I spy 2 feet. Let's boop them and see what happens.
who are head over heels in love with Hanabi, but unfortunately.
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
Nie mogę.
What? Hi, Nia! Did you come to see me? Come on in. Come on, come play. Welcome! Welcome! Are you coming or not? Are you kidding me, Parker? Get down. Come here.
He is not a happy boy.
Oğlum müsaade et lan.
Вот эта вот вся зона за мной, зеленая, она закрыта для посетителей. Там...
Want to share some of the rent money, babies? Oh, no. Can I have... Look, they're gonna evict us. Give us some rent. I just want to...
My cat when there is clean washing.
Girl! This orange is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
If I put this tree in this hand, which one would it be in? Good boy. Good boy, Gato. What if I switch it up, Gato, and I put the tree in my left hand? Which one would it be in? Huh?
Just thinking.
Which one would it be in? Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, Mr. Gato.
Oh my God. Cutie.
No, 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 no.
Wait, what's wrong? Eh? You stuck your tongue? Well, naughty.
Dame un autógrafo. Oye, ¿eres famoso? ¿Cómo que no?
Go, dude. Oh, shit. I got a cat on a leash. Oh, what?
Can you help mommy? Okay, thank you.
Берем скотч и кота. И смотрим, что получилось.
Oh, yeah.
That's a really teeny hummingbird.
No, that's average.
Really?
Yeah, they're not big.
So you're telling me 2 inches isn't big?
I cannot.
Make it right here.
And we're walking here, we're cooking people.
Show me that your cat is a foodie without telling me that your cat is a foodie. I'll go first. Bro, chill. Chill, they're cheese!
Hey, knock it off. Knock it off. What are you doing? What are you gonna do? You weigh 3 pounds. What are you gonna drag off all of these chicken breasts? What are you doing? No. You goof. Stop it. That's bad for you.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
What?
This is your sign to buy some balloons and stick them on your cat.
I have one thing that nobody else can say they love beside me. I just finished taking a piss and then boom, a rotisserie chicken.
No. Bueno, sí.
Didn't I just tell you no? No. Don't thump your tail at me.
Tell him, Rupert.
Come on.
This damn grasshopper.
So it's an interactive little scavenger game for the cats. Oh yeah, it's called a little boink. Oh.
Why is it spicy?
No.
I'm fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
Look.
I've got no